Are you facing difficulty in detecting the constraints in the end-to-end life cycle? Is manual toil detracting the value generation activities? Is agile and DevOps transformation failing at scale? Are you lacking the proper visibility of key performance indicators to gauge the business outcomes? Then chances are you could be lacking a proper structured approach for value stream management. Hi, I'm Sujata Sivaraman. Here I'm going to talk about the possible approaches to circumvent these challenges in value stream management. You could adopt an APEX approach where A stands for assessment of the value streams, P stands for prioritization, E stands for execution, and X stands for X factors. Let's see each one of this. Assessment of the value stream, it could be the development value stream or the operation value stream, which helps in delivering from ideation to the solution to the customer. So assessment would involve identification of the waste, the processing time and the cycle time, and the different forms of waste which could be laden in the value stream flow. Prioritization helps in plugging those gaps with proper practices. It could be some of the manual practices or automated tasks which helps to plug those gaps. And it could be based on the business impact, the effort which is involved, and it could be structured in the short term and layered in the midterm and then followed up in the long term. Then execution of the value streams in a wave-based approach, starting with the pilot by trying to defragment the value streams, and then that could be followed by the wave-based approach in increasing adoption of the refined value streams. That way, this could be scaled across different projects. Then X stands for X factors, which could be the descriptive factors, which describes the end-to-end pipeline flow. Then also it could be the prescriptive factors, which gives you the recommendation for eradicating some of the bottlenecks, or it could give a what-if analysis if certain steps are added or removed, or some tools are introduced. So what sort of analysis, what this could result in the value stream ratio. That is what is given by the prescriptive factors. And predictive factors gives you the possible anomalies and the maintenance that will be required in upgradation of the task or the circumvention of the issues. So that's about the apex factors. So having this sort of approach will help in optimizing the whole system, not just the parts. And then it helps in minimizing the manual toil by fueling the business transformation. And it also helps in streamlining the information flow across the enterprise so that it will help in answering questions such as how many new features were developed versus technical debt or quality issues, and what sort of resources went into the value streams. And it also helps in maximizing automation with efficiency. So all these factors helps in reducing the time to market, which is preceded with time to value, and it also helps in ingrained built-in auditability and effective governance, and that way it helps in delivering value to the customers. So that's about it. I'll see you in another article and the video Bye for now.